Charisse, Norma, Seal, can't wait to see what you'll do with whatever you find in these. Please open up your baskets.
Is this a duck?
And we've given you a golden goose.
No, they did not.
I always said I'm going to cook my goose.
Don't cook it too much, it's already cooked.
Eggnog.
Spiked eggnog.
Oh, whiskey, I'm gonna have some of that.
Purple asparagus. And jelly donut bites.
Oh my gosh. Donuts in an entree round.
Half an hour to cook your holiday main course. Clock starts now.
I'm making an eggnog glazed golden goose with sauteed jelly donuts served with red potatoes and purple asparagus.
I am going to make a golden goose and chorizo sauté over a bed of spinach and quinoa.
I'm making gnocchi with the golden goose tomato sauce.
All right, grandmas, 5 minutes to go.
Grandma Norma spent so much time trying to make that gnocchi that she did not concentrate on the donuts.
That's really too bad because Norma could have buried those donuts inside her gnocchi dough.
I'm gonna mix these jelly donuts with eggnog and make some kind of cream sauce out of the whole thing.
All right, folks, 1 minute left.
Come on, grandmas, you guys can do it. You can do it.
Norma, show us your gnocchi.
All right, grandmas, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. What do we have, Norma?
Judges, I made for you gnocchi with eggnog, golden goose, jelly donut, tomato sauce.
Love the textures. It is a foundation of a great sauce. The garlic, the pancetta, the goose, they work very well together. This does have the starting of a really, really good dish.
Thank you.
I love the goose in there. I've actually picked out the goose and eaten all of that. And I like your effort on the gnocchi, but as you might know, they're a little dense.
Yeah, I know.
I agree with Amanda. I think the gnocchi could be a little less dense. What you should do is mix it in a mixer and add super hot water to it.
All right.
And that's gonna start to temper that semolina and start that delicacy process.
I think it's interesting. I want to learn more about that.
Happy to have you come in anytime.
Oh, gosh, that'd be great. I'd enjoy that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Norma. Next up, Seal.
I made for you a Middle Eastern sauté of goose and chorizo over a fresh bed of spinach and quinoa with eggnog brandy and crispy jelly donut.
I love the spices you have inside here. They're warm and they're comforting. They have a sense of place. It's wonderful.
Thank you.
I agree. I mean, there are some really smart choices that you made.
Thank
Getting
you.
the chorizo, the quinoa is cooked beautifully. The peppers, absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
The problem is the eggnog and the donut need to be woven together.
The jelly donut is so wonderfully crispy. If you just crumbled it and put it on top, it could have been a nice integrated dish. Right now, it's two different dishes.
Thank you, Seal.
Thank you very much, Ted.
Finally, Charisse, what have you made for us?
I made an eggnog glazed golden goose served with red potatoes, steamed with the purple asparagus.
So I understand you're still running a restaurant?
My daughter Tori purchased a restaurant and she named it after me, Sherry's.
Oh, that's great.
I'm very excited about it.
Oh, yeah.
The use of eggnog with the golden goose, I think, was a great idea. I like your choice of the red potatoes. So some great flavors going on, but the asparagus, I think it should have been cooked a little less. You know, it's lost its crunchiness, and that would have been a great texture on this plate.
It was so hard to figure out a way to use the jelly donut. But I think the answer to that riddle might have been some onion and celery and sage with it to make it more savory as opposed to sweet.
Okay.
I just wanted to see that transformed a little more.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Charisse, you've been chopped. Judges?
Oh, Grandma Charisse, this breaks my heart to deliver this news to you.
It's okay.
You are such a beautiful, bright light in this room. But we wanted you to do more with the jelly donuts, so you've been chopped.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeffrey and Margaret, Manit and Vivek, Mark and Pam. Main course baskets are ready for you. Open them up.
Oh my gosh.
Your second holiday dish must include a pork crown roast.
Pork crown roast is pork chops which are rolled around so it looks like a crown.
Beauty.
Swiss chard.
It's beautiful.
Chestnuts. And Bûche De Noël.
Bûche De Noël is like a sheet cake that has cream on the inside and they roll it up, so it's kind of like a Swiss roll.
We're gonna take this and chiffonade it and fold it in there as well.
Cut to.
30 minutes. Clock starts now.
Find you.
We're making a pork katsu.
With a chestnut and ground pork stir fry.
So we're gonna make a coconut pork curry with rice vermicelli.
We are making a pork chop korma with a Swiss chard and chestnut salad.
I want to bring more pork to this party, so I'm gonna get some pancetta and saute it. Chestnuts, we're gonna just warm them up in the curry.
It's coming down to the wire again, just like it did in round one. Pork chop, please get done on time.
Holy cow.
Last minute.
Lime, please. Give
Come
me
on,
lime.
guys, you gotta finish strong here.
All four hands on deck, chefs. Let's get those plates pretty. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Team Murphy, what do we have?
You want to tell them?
No,
I'll tell them.
please.
Okay, so it's a rice noodle with a pork and curry coconut broth. We diced up the pork, sweat off some vegetables,
Okay.
and then what we did was we then took the pork out for the pork flavor for the actual broth.
I mean, this is delicious. All these herbs, as soon as the bowl came in front of us, you could smell them. So fresh, so bright. But, you know, there was an entire crown roast of pork, and there's none in here.
I know, but if I had given you what I had poached, it was so chewy. It was like you would have tossed me out of here in no time.
Next up, Manit and Vivek.
So what we have here today is a pork chop korma with Swiss chard and chestnut vermicelli.
This is delicious. I love the exterior of the pork chop. I think the marinade is really wonderful. My pork chop is slightly under. It could have used another couple minutes, but I love this vermicelli mixture that you have.
Finally, Jeffrey and Margaret.
So this is a pork katsu. On the side is a chestnut ground pork stir fry. Bon appetit.
I mean, this is very porky, which I appreciate. The cutlet is very tender. It's hard not to finish it.
But you saw her whack the pork, right?
You did a good job on that.
We imagined that she was thinking that was your head, and she kept beating it. That was the conversation.
Was I saying Jeffrey out loud?
You were. Yeah, it's delicious. I mean, it's delicious. There's really something that is so inviting about these flavor profiles. Such an interesting balance of sweetness and spice.
Thank you.
The pork is so, so, so tender. I really feel like that coating made such a great barrier to keep the pork so moist. I don't love the fried Swiss chard. I thought it was a little greasy.
Okay. Whose dish is on the chopping block? Mark and Pam, you've been chopped. Judges,
Pam and Mark, it's so great to have you in the kitchen and to see you guys work together. The dish was a surprise, which I think was one of our favorite things about it, but we were missing that really wonderful pork. And so we had to chop you.
Even though we've been chopped, you're still all invited over for dinner.
Yay!
Group hug.
Chef Tiago, Chef Melody, should be a glorious battle with two top-tier pastry pros duking it out. Let's see what's in here. Open them up.
Oh, boy.
And there's a snow globe cake.
This is so pretty. This snow globe cake is the perfect dessert for holidays.
And the spice, cinnamon tree leaves.
I don't know how I feel about this.
You also have blood oranges.
Oranges, I like it.
And clam-flavored candy canes.
You've got to be kidding me. I'm like, what is this? Who the hell comes up with these baskets?
30-minute countdown clock starts ticking down. Now.
This snow globe cake screams cake pops, and I'm looking at these candy canes, and I'm thinking how I can use them without the entire dessert tasting like clams. Oh! So I decide to crush them and add some blue sugar, and I'm gonna use that to coat the cake pops.
So I'm making a clam cinnamon-soaked chocolate cake with a pistachio Christmas tree mousse. This little tree is a big staple of my dish. I keep going back to check to see if it's cooling, but I just gotta leave it, let it chill. Let's give it a little bit more time. So I take the cake and I do a quick, simple dunk in there, but I feel like I don't have something crispy or crunchy here. So I grab some crispy rice cereal and coat it with some chocolate.
The clock is winding down, and I grab the candied orange peels to dip them in tempered chocolate.
Calling the 2-minute warning.
Then I grab the cake pops and coat them with the atrocious candy canes.
1 minute to go, folks.
Guys, you gotta finish up.
Oh, I'm
Final
so
round
nervous.
for the win.
My hands are getting clammy.
Oh.
I go back to the anti-griddle, the trees are set, thank God they all release, and I'm happy with what it looks. I know the boys are gonna be happy with the Christmas tree and sprinkles.
Here we go, chefs. Final seconds of the final round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Way to go.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm hoping that the first two desserts that I put out balance out the third one. I want this victory more than anything.
I feel like I crushed this competition. I think I have a very good chance of being the next Chop champion.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Tiago, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Tiago, in your first course, you brought your heart and your soul and your heritage, but we didn't taste the mace and the nutmeg. We didn't really feel the advocat in there. In the second round, you made a pot de creme that was a very odd texture, and so we had to chop you.
Thank you.
And that means, Chef Melody Asseroff, you are, once again, the chopped champion. The sweet 10K is going to your favorite charity, Save the Whales. Chef Rachel, Chef Will, how do you feel about cooking a holiday dessert?
Ready to go?
Please open your baskets. And you must use eggnog, panettone, pomegranate molasses, and Hanukkah gelt. You have 30 minutes to create your sweet sensations. Time starts now. So, judges, you'll be getting your Hanukkah gelt and eggnog.
This is definitely a gift for these chefs.
Let's talk for a second about eggnog. Egg and cream concoctions would make a great ice cream base.
I so agree.
When I see eggnog, I look at it and say, ice cream. With panettone, I'm gonna make donuts, which I never have made. I don't really know how to make ice cream. I know I have to put milk, cream, sugar, and eggs, but I have to wing it. I came in guns a-blazing, and I'm gonna go out guns a-blazing. Fine.
I want to make a chocolate chip cookie using the gelt. This is going to be my nod to Santa Claus. You know, put the cookies and milk out. Can I use some of those eggs, man?
I do need them all.
You need them all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I decided I need a sauce to put over the donuts and the ice cream. I think pomegranate, raspberry sauce, cut some of the fat, some of the richness.
I'm familiar with pomegranate molasses. It's very tart. I want to calm that flavor down. I decide to add red wine to it and put cinnamon and bay leaf in it and give it that mulled wine holiday feeling. I put that together, reduce it down, and it makes a beautiful syrup.
And chefs, you are down to the 5-minute mark.
You know, my ice cream is taking a little longer than I expected to set up. I put it in a blast chiller, and I head back to my plates.
I'm waiting for my cookies to come together, and I'm waiting to see if the bread pudding is going to come together, and they're both in the oven at the same time.
All right, chefs, you have only 1 minute left.
I wait as long as possible to pull out my ice cream. I plate everything up, I look at it, I love it, and then I watch the ice cream melting.
The cookies are spread out thin a little bit, and I know I have to pull them now.
And the hustle of the holidays reaches top speed as the final seconds tick down. 7.
A little bit of mascarpone cream on each, and I'm good to go.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Rachel.
You have a panettone eggnog bread pudding, and as a nod to Santa, a chocolate chip cookie.
Wow. This is a great bread pudding.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try not to eat it all.
The balance here is really something that's striking. Not only is it perfectly cooked, the addition of red wine and spices brings the molasses back to a winey, acidic, sort of sweet and sour, which this needs because it's very rich.
I think you used the basket very wisely. I just find this dessert extremely sweet. I think maybe bread pudding made with eggnog can bring that really deeply sweet flavor in there.
Last dessert, Chef Will.
So today I prepared a panettone donut with a little bit of chocolate and eggnog ice cream and a pomegranate raspberry chocolate syrup.
I love the sauce. It's like a jelly donut.
Jelly donuts is traditional for Hanukkah.
Oh, we joked I went Jewish and she went Catholic.
The ice cream was good. My only concern here was the actual plating of it, because you had a hot donut and you put an ice cream on top of it.
I actually like the composition a lot. I like that the ice cream kind of melts the acidity of your sauce with the pomegranate molasses and the chocolate. I find that an extraordinary use of 2 basket ingredients.
I appreciate that.
Thank you, chefs.
I feel like I deserve to win. I put my heart on the plate. I left my lungs on the floor.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Will, you've been chopped. Judges.
Will, this was not an easy decision for us today. I think because we felt you really came out of the gate like gangbusters. But we didn't feel your chestnut sauce in your main course or the donut really worked. And these were errors that led to your elimination today.
Oh, I appreciate it.
And that means, Chef Rachel Willen, that you are the chopped champion.
Oh, my God.
Oh, and by the way, I think $10,000 would make quite a big pile of Hanukkah gelt.
It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I just got the best gift I could possibly get. I got myself back. I got my mojo.
Mojo.